191054801 from BGM University of Fashion and Technology, Textile Engineering Department. Today I will going to talk about sustainability. First of all, I would like to introduce my group members with you guys.
I'm Asif Mahamud, ID 191055801.
I'm Suresh Singh, ID 191053801.
I'm Tasrif Faisal Akram. My ID is 191052801.
Today we will be going to discuss about sustainability in our textile garments industry. Sustainability means meeting the needs of the present generation without compromising the needs of the future generation. Sustainability is a long-term thinking, is a systematic flow of using resources and making better life. In sustainability, we raise the living of our life by using the renewable energy resources. This assignment is given by Mohammad Masum Billah sir of CSR course. We visited Square Fashion Limited, which is located at Mamaching Bhaluka, for the inquiry of sustainability of their industry. After going to the company, we have inquired about the social sustainability, economic sustainability and environmental sustainability of Square Fashion Limited. So now I will go through the company profile of the Square Fashion Limited. Square Fashion Limited has 117 lines in their factory. They have 12,000 workers working in their company. The main products of the Square Fashion Limited is ready-made knit apparel, t-shirt, polo shirt, trousers, undergarments, kids wear, men's wear, ladies fashion wear, etc. The major buyers of Square Fashion Limited are Raw, Next, Puma, G-Star, PNC, Target Australia, New Era, Carhartt, Esprit, Hugo Boss, Mustang, Timberland, etc. Now I would like to call my next group member to talk about the social sustainability of Square Fashion Limited. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Before starting for the social sustainability, I would like to put an eye on the owner's story. The founder of the Square Group is Samson H. Chaudhary. He was born in 25 September in 1925 at Gopalganj. After completing education at the Scottish Church College in Kolkata, India, he returned to the East Pakistan and settled at the village of Papna district, where his father was working as a medical officer. He served as a vice president of the Davis World Alliance from 1985 to 1990. In addition to being BWA vice president, Mr. Chaudhary has served in other areas of global Baptist organization, include on the BWA General Council, the Executive Committee, the Baptist World Aid Committee, the Promotion and Development Committee, and the Memorial Committee. Chaudhary was elected president at the Bangladesh Baptist Church Fellowship BBCF a dozen times. Now I would like to go through the social sustainability of Square Group. First of all, they had the appointment letter facility, which things required in the letter. Now I would like to the topics who are given in the appointment letter. After completion of 2-month confirmation, the assessment sends to the department head. After filled up the required criteria as assessment sheet back to the HR and administration department. Assessment sheet reviewed for confirmation, extension and termination. After approval, confirmation letter is issued to an individual employee. A duplicate copy of confirmation preserves in the personal file after signing. As they are a very big group, they have a lot of employee turnovers is approximately 11,000 per year. Occupation safety. They have took so many occupation safety measures, as they are a very renowned group in all over the world. Besides this, they have a very good fire safety They had occupational welfare like restroom, canteen, prayer room, daycare, male and female separate washroom, etc., which are very nicely maintained. After that, the living policy. They have a living policy like sick leave, casual leave, maternity leave, earned leave, holiday leave, etc. Now I would like to call up my next team member for continuing.
Assalamualaikum. Now I am telling about the environment sustainability of square cube. Here is the water treatment plant ETP. Is the chemical process of ETP, biological ETP mostly used in square, and the psychochemical ETP. In the effluent treatment plant, the environment rules makes the rules of the regulations for industries to clear the dirt. It has been clearance from the certificate. This certificate is for the industry. Total ETP plant is 3, and the total capacity is 335 meter cube per hour. And the cost per meter cube for the 2 BDT. And there is no air treatment plant, and the sound pollution protection. They are using many types of devices for protect the sound to not to be mixed with the natural sound. The square group uses many types of treatment for the remove the toxic chemicals from the dust material from the industry. The caustic recovery plant CRP is after merchandising which caustic remains, and the concentration for the caustic is 4 BOM, and for use that has to increase the concentration. Concentration can increase 30 BOM maximum, but the merchandise 40 BOM, the virgin caustic has to add it to increase the concentration. Now I am tell about the WRP, the water reclamation plant. This plant capacity is 100 meter cube per hour, and the 2400 meter cube per day. They have zero liquid discharge plant and also have a rainwater harvesting plant. Reason of not using decoloring chemicals. If use decoloring chemicals, then COD and BOD will increase. In the washing section in laboratory IEM department, which is also known as Industrial Environment Management, and they check everyday pH temperature and the color of the chemicals and the raw materials. They check everyday pH temperature and color of the materials. Every 10 days BOD and COD total suspected solid TSS total dissolved solid TDS is been checked properly. If every 3 months government concerned people give a check, if they find anything wrong, then the license will be cancelled of the section. Square Fashion Limited transportation system is so much good for the workers and the office staff. They are carrying van or carrying staff bus used for the office staff. The environment sustainability is very important for us. This is maintain our ecosystem, and if we don't use sustainable use of our, if we don't maintain proper sustainability in washing section and plant section to remove the bad materials from the water, and if we don't release this in nature properly, we'll be falling danger in future. For our carelessness, we will face a lots of disease and lots of disaster in the nature, which will be destroy our human lives. Now I am invited my next group member for tell about the economic sustainability.
Assalamualaikum. Now I would like to describe about economic sustainability. After visiting the Square Fashion Limited, we gather information that the export of Square Fashion Limited with export is 1.8 billion and import is almost 0.5 billion. The export-oriented company now produce 21,600 tons of yarn of a year at its 3 units. After the completion of the new project next year, another 4,235 tons will be produced.
Overall, after visiting the Square Fashion Limited, we have gone through their social, economical, and environmental sustainability. these sorts of sustainability are really important for the mankind and environment of the world. The Square Fashion Limited are trying their level best to maintain these all sorts of sustainability. After talking with them and collecting all of the resources, we have come to that point that they are setting up different types of new activities to maintain these sorts of sustainability, which are really important for the human and the environment.